Coronavirus speaking. Everyone listen. One day, I found myself in someone's body. It was the good day for me. I found life again. I was like a wanderer who finally got a shelter. What should I have done? I had to give birth and spread in the whole body. I had no other intentions, I just wanted to live. But that person's immune system started fighting me. So, I was left with no choice but to fight back. While the war was going on, that person started having fever and my children kept spreading in his respiratory system, which started causing him shortness of breath. And I had camped in the roof of his month, so I looked malicious. And he started coughing and sneezing without rest. At that time, that person started thinking about going to the nearest health center. Unfortunately, he was late, because we had already started defeating his immune system. I heard that man talking on the phone.
I think I am very, very sick. And my sickness is unknown. I first thought it's normal flu, but it's not. It's the new disease which I don't know.
We had took over that man's lungs and no outside help he received. His immune system fought alone, so we won the war and that man finally dead. But, before he died, he sent me away to someone else. Do you wonder how? Then, let me tell you. While that man kept coughing and sneezing, some of my children and me, we went out through droplets from his body. And he put a hand on his mouth, so the droplets were left there, and while he was meeting his friends, they shook hands, and the droplets got transferred to them. We were in those droplets, and when those friends touched their mouths, noses or us, we got another chance for a living in a carrier. We entered through those body parts. And we did like what we did to the first person. But when the carrier washed their hands, we died. We live for long when we are in someone's body. And we die every time someone follows preventive measures that are set to prevent our spread, which includes washing hands every time with soap and clean water or a sanitizer, avoiding shaking hands with anyone, avoiding crowded places, and stay at home to prevent going out and meet other people who may include infected ones. Now the world is in chaos trying to fight us. They encourage people to wash their hands and avoid crowded places by staying at home. And we think that we may die if people got outside help to support their immune system. That support includes medical care,